In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my #1 hack for juggling your children over the summer holidays alongside work and needle felting. My name is Charlotte Allen and you've reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. So a few people have been in contact with me and they've asked me how I managed to balance my work and needle felting with the summer holidays with my children being off all the time. So this is my #1 hack from me to you to help you manage juggle your children, work and needle felting over the summer holidays. So the first thing you're going to need is a bottle of spirits. Now, I like to go with gin here, but you could go with vodka, rum, whatever your preferred spirit is. Now, some people say go premium with your spirits. I say, who cares? If the alcohol content is high, just go for it. Now, the next thing you're going to need is a glass to hold your alcohol in. Now, I've gone for this beautiful cut crystal glass here with this gold rim, but to be honest with you, as long as it holds a volume of liquid, who cares? So once you've decided on your glass, the next thing you're going to need is a jigger to measure out your alcohol with. So here we have a single measure to measure my gin out with. Or you could go with a double measure if it's been a particularly stressful day. However, I have another hack for you now and you can thank me later. Sometimes you don't need to measure it out. If it's been a really bad day and the children just won't leave you alone, just free pour it and make the pain disappear. Once you've added your gin, you may want to add some ice. However, this is optional. If you don't have any ice, don't worry about it, guys, because you don't want to be crying on the kitchen floor because you've got warm gin. Just drink it anyway. Who cares? Nobody's looking. Now you have your chosen alcohol and your ice, you can add a mixer. Again though, this is optional. You don't have to add a mixer if you don't want to, because like I said, if it's been one of those days, maybe you just need to drink the alcohol neat. And there you have it. That's my top tip for dealing with your children over the summer holidays alongside everything else. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and please feel free to subscribe to my channel as well because I'm posting daily at the moment loads of needle felting hints, tips and hacks. But for now I'm going to say goodbye and I'll see you tomorrow. 2 weeks of the summer holidays down, 4 to go. See you on the other side.